Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the KTC H27E22P 27-inch gaming monitor, a display built for fast-paced performance and immersive visuals. This monitor stands out with its ultra-fast 280 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time, delivering incredibly smooth motion during competitive games. Whether you're playing shooters, racing titles, or action-heavy games, movements feel fluid and responsive with minimal blur. Adaptive sync support also helps reduce screen tearing and stuttering for a cleaner experience. The fast VA panel provides strong contrast and deep blacks, giving darker scenes more depth. With wide color coverage and HDR10 support, visuals appear vibrant and detailed, helping game environments look more lifelike. A solid brightness level and high contrast ratio add extra punch to highlights and shadows. It's also compatible with modern consoles, making it a flexible option for both PC and console gamers. The stand allows for tilt adjustments, and VESA mounting support gives you more setup options if you prefer a monitor arm. While it's not an ultra-wide display, the 27-inch size hits a sweet spot for focused competitive gaming. Overall, this is a high-refresh monitor designed for players who want speed and strong visual performance at a competitive price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.